On the next slide, you're going to be directed to a website, which is shown on my screen here. I want to show you how to use this website, as you'll be using this website essentially to complete the rest of this activity that you're working in right now. We have not yet discussed the cerebellum of the brain, so do not worry about that. We are going to be focusing right now exclusively on the four lobes of the cerebrum. The cerebrum is every part of our brain except for the brain stem right here and the cerebellum, which is in red down at the bottom. So the green, blue, purple, and yellow regions are all parts of the cerebrum. It is about 80 to 85% of the total brain mass. So it's the largest part of our brain. The cerebrum is divided into a left and a right side. We can see this long line separating the right side from the left side. We're looking at the brain from the front right now, the anterior view. This is the posterior view. So we can see that long slit kind of separating the brain into a left and a right side. As you can see, you can rotate this brain by clicking on the slider bar on the bottom and moving it left or right. That'll help you locate some of these lobes. They are color-coded over here. And when you click on one, like the occipital lobe, it will light up for you. You can then kind of rotate around. You can then see, hey, that's the occipital lobe, so that you can kind of use that information to answer some of the questions that will follow in the next few slides. Also notice that when you click on these lobes, information about it, functions, do appear. You'll be needing to reference that information as well. So you got the temporal lobe, frontal lobe, parietal lobe, and once again, the rotational aspect will help you with that.